Hello guys! Look what we found. We found the viral squishy dumplings. Like my sister and I saw them 24/7 on our For You page, and there unboxed them, and I saw we can have a golden glitter dumpling. So yes, let's not talk too much and unbox them. Are you excited?
Yes.
Oh my god, and me too. So let's unbox them.
Yeah.
Like there's written they are for 3-year-olds, but no matter. Okay, so in 3, 2, 1 we open them. 3, 2, 1.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. One.
Wait a minute. Is that the glitter dumpling? The rare golden glitter dumpling? Girl, you are lucky. Lucky, lucky, lucky. They're so stretchy. And there are bowls, water bowls or whatever.
Cute.
So yes guys, I hope you like this video, and when you want more unboxing videos, so let us know it. Bye!
Bye.